Hey, welcome to the video. Here we have the conversion of methanol from liquid to gas, and here the enthalpy of vaporization, say it be a positive value. That is, as you have given, it will be X into kilojoule per mole, and it is positive. And here if the delta H is positive, then heat is absorbed by the system. And if heat is absorbed by the system, then it is known as an endothermic process. And as we have the delta H and the number of moles, we can calculate Q, where Q is equal to delta H of vaporization divided by N, which is the number of moles. And from the first law